Yeah, the plan now was to start up the green P38 here, 2.5 liter turbo diesel. It's the same engine as in the black bastard up here. That's mixed up personalities. I have started up the black one. That one was getting the... I put in the EKA Code to get to start it up. The Suburban in the background here was supposed to start up after now. At least that's the plan. But I was hoping to start the green P38 first. But here we have a discussion with the system. Bend up the door, use a stick to go down. Why do you have it locked again? Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's like what he was saying here now. It's a little scary to think about that it was not more difficult to get in, but yeah. We're in, I get the key out, and now we can try to start up the other Range Rover and see if we get help power down to this one, maybe? Now I just connected the power from the other car and into this one. And to be honest, this one haven't been started for a long time. But at least we get the key out of it. I think the battery is completely dead. So we have to see if something at all is going to happen here. Okay. Yeah, at least this is a manual, so we have to think a little different. Okay. Here we have a problem. Engine disconnected completely. Okay. If I can't find the key in the code, I haven't had to put in a code on this one before, but now ask for the code. You see here, engine disabled. Okay. No, then I'm not able to do anything before I get some help with the code. I was hoping the code was lying in this car, but it's not. It's not here.